What's going on, guys? This video is going to be for everyone who has ever asked or ever wondered what the green and the red arrows are on my screen. So this video is more than likely going to be tagged. It's going to be put in the description of all my future videos. That way you guys can all find it, because it gets a little repetitive always having to explain in each video, what these green and red arrows are. So it's very, very simple. As soon as I start to explain what these green and red arrows are, what indicator this is, because it's not really an indicator, but it's going to be very, very simple. So again, for everyone out there that doesn't know me or know where I come from, I'm an options trader. I've been trading with, it was TD Ameritrade, now Charles Schwab. I use the ThinkorSwim platform. So I also trade futures. Now, when I trade futures, I'm going to be using Top Step X. I'm going to be using TraderVate. I'm going to be using Apex and multiple different firms. I do not do any charting on those other platforms. All of my charting will be from my main monitor, such as what you guys are currently looking at here. And then when I want to exit or enter a trade, I will scroll my mouse over to another monitor and simply hit buy market with my bracket orders already, programmed in there. But I will be watching this chart. So a lot of my strategies, whether it be the 20 SMA strategy on any time frame, whether that be using VWAP, or whether that be taking the first hour high or low break, looking at previous day high or low, you guys will always see these red and green arrows on my chart. Now, I have it set up to give me a green arrow, as you can see currently on this price action, anytime price is trading for the first time over the 20 SMA. So if this candle closes over the 20 SMA, this green arrow will stay. If this candle comes back down and does not close above the 20 SMA, it will go away. So what it helps me do is when I'm charting and I'm looking through various different ticker symbols, it's easy for my eyes to kind of gravitate towards the current setup that we're in. So for example, off the open at 6:40 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, we get a 50-point range candle. We get the red arrow telling me that it's a confirmed close below the 20 SMA. I'll be looking at the following candle to start taking that short trade. Now, when we get back over the 20 SMA, it is going to tell me that maybe the short-term change in trend is now over. Okay, so I might be looking a little bit more to the long side. Now, this play did confirm, however, would have stopped you out. We got to close to the downside, no confirmation. We got to close back up to the upside, and now this one would have paid. Now here we come again with another candle over the 20 SMA. So how do we put these on our screen? Simply with ThinkorSwim. I have no idea and I have no experience putting this on TradingView charts. I don't know how to do it on a Ninja chart. I don't know how to do it on Quantower. I don't know how to do it on Top Step X. I don't know how to do it on anything else other than what I personally use. Again, the longer you guys stick around this channel, I only speak on what I know and what I use. So if you would like to maybe chart with ThinkorSwim and you would like these indicators, you can simply throw a moving average on your screen. It doesn't have to be the 20. You can use the 9, you can use the 50, you can use the 200, you can use whatever fits your trading style. All you have to do is, once this moving average is on your screen, right click. You're going to have a menu box that's going to pop up. You're going to click on Edit Study, and you can see here, Simple Moving Average, 20. I'm going to click this, and it's going to bring up another box. When this box comes up, all we're going to do is come all the way down here to Show Breakout Signals. Make sure that that's clicked to yes, and then hit OK. Every time you go to a different time frame, for example, this is the 5-minute time frame. If I was to go to the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see that they're still there. If I was to go to the 1-hour time frame, which I use a lot, you're going to see that that the arrows are still there. So it's going to correlate it to whenever we close over or under the 20 SMA on whatever time frame that you're looking at. So if you're a swing trader, maybe you want to use the hourly chart. If you're a swing trader, maybe you want to use the 4-hour chart. If you're a swing trader, maybe you want to use the daily chart, right? And according to this 20 SMA play here on the daily, the NASDAQ 100, or if you're trading stocks and options, the QQQ has been a long swing since the 5th month and 3rd day. Okay, so May the 3rd, we got that close over the 20 SMA. May 4th or May 6th, over the weekend, when we opened up that Monday, we confirmed, and essentially it's just been a long position ever since a price of 18,200. Now we're currently trading at 20,500, so this is up very, very significantly. So imagine if you were playing QQQ calls off of this 20 SMA play here. Essentially, you could have taken calls a month or even 2 months or even 3 months out, and you would have just been riding the trend. So again, if you're a swing trader, definitely use it on the 4 hour, definitely use it on the 1 hour, definitely use it on the daily, depending on how long you want to play your expirations out. If you're a day trader, well, then that's really not going to be too much of a benefit to you. You're going to need to use it on a smaller time frame. Myself and everyone in Evolution Traders, we love to use this on the 5 minute. We love to use this on the 2 minute. Okay. So 2 minutes going to give you more setups. 2 minute can also give you a little bit more choppier setups, but it's going to give you quicker moves. So if you're a little bit more of a faster paced scalper, maybe you want to go with the 2 minute. If you want things to slow down a little bit, maybe you go with the 5 or even the 15-minute view. So if we look at the 15-minute view here, you can see here the at 6:45 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, we had a 20 SMA play set up for 82 points worth of range. That low price was 20,567. The next 15-minute candle opens up and goes to 20,485. So you can see here you would have taken a full 80 something plus points off this particular move if the 15-minute chart is your forte. So again, just remember, the higher the time frame you play, the more risk that's going to be involved and associated with that trade. So make sure you're not playing 10 mini contracts on a 15-minute view, having this thing whip around on you 30, 40, 50 points. You know, maybe stick to the micros, maybe hold these trades a little bit longer. But that's how you add it on the chart. Put a moving average. In my particular case, I used a 20 moving average for a lot of my setups and a lot of my strategies. Once that 20 SMA is on your chart, you're going to simply right click, go to edit, study, simple moving average, make sure those breakout signals are clicked to yes. Again, this is with the ThinkorSwim platform. Okay. I have no idea how to put it on any other platform because I've been charting on this platform for years and years and years and years. I stick to only what I know. Hope this video helps you guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you got to do down there to help this video get out to more people. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.